Thanks to AI, splitting songs into individual instrument or vocal groups known as stems can be now done in just a few steps. Developers such as Lalal AI, Isotope, RipX or DAW internal programs such as Spectral Layers and Logic Stem Splitter deliver impressive results in this regard. In this video, I'll show you how you can use AI-generated stems for a song to analyze and further develop your productions. Learn more about mixing, mastering and music production in the HOFA-College Audio Engineering online courses.
Of all the DAWs and tools that offer AI-generated stem splitting, including the new Cubase 15 stem separation, Logic Stem Splitter delivered the best results for our example. For our example, we're going to use a metalcore song in Logic. In red you see the original stereo master file and in blue the 5 original stems. Let's compare.
We're meant to break the sky!
As you can see, the different stems equal the master file. We have drums, we have bass, we have guitars, we have vocals, and all the synths and effects come together on the synth stem. We have screamings and multiple layers of melodic vocals. Now, the next step will be dividing the stems from the original master file. As you can see, vocals, drums, bass, guitars, and others, so synths and stuff, are highlighted here. We're gonna cut the piano because we don't have any piano tracks. Usually, this procedure takes about a minute to render the 5 different stems out of the master file. We have the vocals, drums, bass, guitar, and others, which is synths and effects, detected by the AI. Now we are quite curious to compare the AI stems with the original stems. Let's start by comparing the stereo sum of all the stems.
We're meant to break the sky! What bothers you? What's on you?
All together sound pretty much like the original track. Now let's compare the separate stems, beginning with the drums.
You want to learn audio engineering and music production online? And you're tired of endless browsing? Take the fast track to learn audio engineering with the HOFA-College online courses. Visit hofa-college.com for more info.
They sound a bit cloudy, especially in the cymbals. The room characteristic is cut. As you hear, we have much more room in here. And of course clarity, compared to the AI stem. The hi-hat part misses definition and transient characteristic. Now let's check out the bass. The functionality of the bass is given, especially regarding the low end, but the fine and sparkly characteristic of the distortion and the upper mids go missing too much in here. Guitars. The palm mutes are quite offensive. Let's check open chords. Actually, this is pretty much close to the original stem, so here we go with a very fine result, actually. Let's check out the solo part. Now you can make out some details, even the delays in the lead guitar. All harmonics represented. This might be the best result so far. Now let's check synth and effects, meaning others. Original compared to AI. Sounds a bit dampened and less room characteristics. and the shiny high end. Especially the high lead sound that sounds a bit dull. Listen to that effect starting each bar with that reverb. It's missing, so the interpretation of the AI stem leaves out that effect. It's not on the drum track either.
Change the world. Change the world.
Here we have every type of vocal in that chorus part. But still, we're missing some roominess and some hi-hat in the sibilants.
I'll change the world. Change the world.
Especially the backings on left and right go missing a little bit. Compare again.
I'll change the world. Change the world. Change the world.
Let's check out the scream vocals in the beginning of the song.
The sky and seek for our eternal life.
Many digital artifacts here as well.
We're meant to sprout and thrive, and lost for questions we can't describe. Time I change the world, I erase what's been written.
And as we hear, again the room is cut out pretty much. Kind of reminds of an MP3. Let's state these stems can be used to analyze, to detect details, or get some inspiration on sound design, or at least make out some of the harmonies in the chorus regarding the vocals. But after all, I wouldn't recommend to use them anyway. And please don't, because it's strictly prohibited to use them for any commercial purpose.
Even though the quality of the stems varies significantly, they do provide some deep insights into the production, but also occasionally lead to misinterpretations. Nevertheless, stems are revealing in terms of instrumentation, sound design, mixing and effects, and therefore offer added value for analyzing productions and finding inspiration for your productions. But even if they tempt you to remix or mash up, they are components of copyright-protected original works that should only be used for private purposes or after a licensing agreement has been concluded with the copyright holder. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more sound engineering knowledge, visit us at HOFA-College.com.